Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I did a haul with products from Shop Hush Cosmetics and I wanted to try out the Oasis highlight kit. I wanted to try it out to see how the highlighters are, and I wanted to do a little challenge. So before I tell you what the challenge is, let me just go ahead and show you the kit again. So this is the kit, and what I wanted to do is to do my eyes with the palette and see how flexible these highlighters are. For starters, I'm gonna go ahead and use my iconic brushes from Sephora, and I'm using this one is the shadow brush, and I'm gonna do the eyes first. I'm gonna go ahead with Nude Beach, which is this one. My brow bones. Ooh. And I'd done a swatch with these before when I did the haul, but guys, the pigmentation on this is everything. Like, I took a little bit out and that is my eyes popping. Wow. Like, I really don't need more than that. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. I love these brushes, by the way, the iconic brushes from Sephora. They're soft. The fiber in them is so amazing. On my lower lid, I'm gonna go ahead with this color, and this shade is Vacay. Let's see. I love the pigmentation on this, you guys. Wow. Like I said, I'm just playing with these highlighters to see how flexible these could be. I don't know if it's the brushes or if it's just a formula on these eyeshadows, but they just glide on so smooth and nice. No much fallout. I'm gonna try the Pina Colada. I'm gonna go over my brow bone with the Pina Colada. The Pina Colada is not the formula is a little bit moist. Let me just complete this look with the I'm gonna use the Tan Lines, this one. I love this shade, by the way. It's deep. It's like a deep goldish brownish. I love that shade, so I'm just gonna use it and go in the crease just to blend everything in. Hey. Okay, so that's it for the eyes. I'm now gonna go ahead and do my cheeks and nose. And for my cheekbones, I think I'm gonna go ahead with the Tan Lines. I might mix it with the Nude Beach, these two, Tan Lines and Nude Beach. Conclusion, I'm gonna say that these highlights are best left for highlighting. I'm just gonna complete this look, and this is the final look for the Shop Hush Cosmetic highlighting kit. So I had tried the highlighters has eyeshadows. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's a no for that. I don't know. The pigmentation on my lower lids with this palette, it was okay in the top. I would have wanted a little bit more gold, a little bit more oomph on my upper brow bones, but no. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it's a no for my as an eyeshadow. But what I do realize is that it's okay when you're using it as a highlighter on your cheek and your nose and over my lips. It was okay for that. I'm gonna stick to this palette as a highlighter and not as eyeshadows. Pigmentation on them is okay. It's not that crazy. I guess it for the Shop Hush or Hush Cosmetics highlighting palette Oasis, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.